Well, you may have heard the news. We have official images of the Nothing Phone 1. They have listed it in the same website where they had listed their Nothing Ear 1s for auction. They have listed 100 Nothing Phone 1s for auction and they will be available from the 21st of June. You can place your bids until the 23rd of June and the top 100 winning bids will receive a serialized phone. Serialized means it will have a serial number on the side, so you will always know that you got it early on in a bid in the exclusive set of 100 phones. Some people like that special feeling. Now, just like the last launch of their earphones, we don't know any other information other than a few photos. And yes, from the general design layout, it looks like an iPhone 12. It has the same nothing color scheme of grayish, white and black with a red dot. So yeah, it is consistent with their design language. They say they've used 100% recycled aluminum and 50% bioplastics. So I guess that's environmentally conscious. We don't know much about the phone, as I said, except that it has wireless charging. I mean, we can see a giant coil on the back. I would have liked the coil to be a little smaller so that, aesthetically it'll be a complete circle instead of being cut off on the corners there. But I guess this design allows them to have a bigger coil, which may allow faster wireless charging and also better heat distribution. I'm curious to see what the final version of Nothing OS will be on this phone. We have already seen the launcher. It's alright, but I wonder what else they have done in that time. I'm curious to see what the cameras would be like. My guess is that one of them is a standard angle and another would be an ultra wide. What do you think? The bids will be globally available except for people in Mexico and South Korea. So if you're living in India or anywhere else, then you can bid for this phone. Of course, the first 100 qualifying bids will get the phone with that serial number. I wonder what the price might be when they finally launch it as a retail version after the auction. If the Nothing Ear 1 is any indication, then this would be somewhere in the $400 to $600 margin. Don't you think? I mean, their Nothing Ear 1 was not a super cheap or super affordable product. They are still trying to market themselves as a premium company, but the company that's doing the right things. So yeah, I guess this would be around a $450-$500 phone. We'll get more details when people start using the phone, and then there are Reddit communities where people are sharing their experiences. I think this will be a pretty interesting thing to see. I wonder why they didn't unveil just a basic shape in their first video that they made. That first trailer when they launched the Nothing OS, or at least they teased the Nothing OS. They could have shown the frame of the phone. That wasn't that long ago, it was back in April or March, right? They could have shown a teaser of this at least. I mean, now they have shown the full-blown image without hiding any of the details. So what's going on? Were the designs not finalized just 2 months ago? Anyway, we'll see what the phone ends up being once the auction is over. But till then, let me know your thoughts.